Hello everyone. Today I'm going to build a super low-cost Wi-Fi hotspot device. Stay tuned. To make this happen, I'll need some essential parts. Here's what we'll use. First, an ESP module and an OTG cable to hook it up to a computer and flash the firmware. Now, let's power up the computer and get it connected. You'll need to install the Flash Download Tools software. Flash Download Tools is a software utility developed by Espressif Systems used to flash firmware onto Wi-Fi microcontroller chips such as ESP8266, ESP32. What is it used for? Flash Download Tools allows you to upload .bin firmware files to ESP devices, erase the flash memory, configure flash settings, install pre-built firmware for IoT projects. In simple terms, write code to compile to .bin. Use Flash Download Tools to upload it to the ESP. Now open Flash Download Tools. A window will appear, select ESP8266, choose Develops Mode, then click OK. Next, another window will pop up. In the SPI download section, tick the first box and click the three dots to load your .bin file. Just navigate to wherever you saved it. Then do the same for the other fields, in order. Now, just follow my steps. Before hitting a start to flash the ESP, double-check that you've selected the correct port. Once everything's set, let's click a start. Alright, the code has been successfully uploaded. Now let's check if it's working. Now let me grab my legendary old phone and scan for Wi-Fi. Let's see if it shows up. Oh, there it is, MYAP. That's the Wi-Fi from the ESP8266 I just flashed. Now, to get internet working on this Wi-Fi station, we need to set a few things up. First, Open your web browser and type in 192.168.4.1 to access the configuration page. This step is very important. Make sure you enter the correct Wi-Fi name and password from your home internet. This allows the ESP8266 to connect and get internet access. Once you've checked everything, go ahead and hit connect. After hitting connect, the page will close. Just reconnect to the Wi-Fi, then go back into adjust the repeater settings and set your own network name and password. Watch the video till the end, I believe you can do it. Good luck!
Close-up mới, thơm mát ba cực, tự tin sát gần nhau.
Hãy trở thành thánh cày phim, nhiều giải thưởng đang chờ bạn.